Привет, my friend, and welcome to my channel. In the last video, we were talking about Russian greetings, and today we'll learn Russian goodbyes. Let's do this! Let's start with the basics. Пока. It's informal bye. Пока. 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 До свидания is informal goodbye. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. Увидимся means see you. Увидимся. 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 До встречи means see you soon. Literally would be something like until we meet again, until our next meeting. До встречи. До встречи. До встречи. До встречи. Some goodbyes depend on the time of day. Let's look at those. Спокойной ночи means good night and is used before going to bed. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи. Хорошего дня. Have a good day. Хорошего дня. Хорошего дня. Хорошего дня. Хорошего дня. Хорошего вечера. Have a good evening. Хорошего вечера. Хорошего вечера. Хорошего вечера. Хорошего вечера. Now you know how to say goodbye in Russian. Which one will you use first? Comment below and practice with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss new Russian videos. До встречи!